Jade and Grayson are robbing the Federal Reserve using bananas for weapons. As Jade and Grayson are escaping the bank with their money, Emmy and Gloria hear a distress signal and rush to the scene, but Grayson and Jade have already fled. After Emmy and Gloria have been chasing Jade and Grayson for 10 minutes, Emmy and Gloria are 3 miles north from Mrs. Fox's Calculator Cafe, and Jade and Grayson are 4 miles east from the cafe. At this instance, Emmy and Gloria are going 40 miles per hour, and Jade and Grayson are going 25 miles per hour. At 10 minutes into the chase, the cops, Emmy and Gloria, getting closer or farther from the robbers, and how fast is the distance between the cops and robbers changing?
Wait. So right now we have point A, which is where the cops are, and point B, which is where the robbers are. And the cops are going towards Miss Fox's Calculator Cafe at 40 miles per hour, and right here at this point they are 3 miles north from that point. Here we have Jade and Grayson, who are the robbers, and they are exactly 4 miles away, east from Miss Fox's Calculator Cafe, and they're going at 25 miles per hour. Now, the rate of the cops is negative 40 because we're going at 40 miles per hour and we're going downwards, and that's negative. And Jade and Grayson are going at 25 miles per hour, and that's positive because they're going to the right. Now, since we know that at this moment in time, the point A is at 3 miles, point B is at 4 miles, then we can infer by our Pythagorean triples that this is 5 miles because this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And then, so from there, we use our Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we have to take the derivative of the entire thing because this is a related rate. So when we take the derivative of the entire equation, we get this. So it's 2a times dA dt plus 2b times dB dt equals 2c times dC dt. And then when we plug in the numbers that we have for this equation, a we said was 3 because we're at 3 miles, and then dA dt is negative 40 plus 2 times b, which is 4 miles, times dB dt, which is 25. And c is 5, like we said, as we know from our Pythagorean triple, and we're solving for dC dt. And then we go down here after we solve it, and then we get negative 240 plus 200 equals 10 times dC dt. And when we solve that out, we just get negative 40 equals 10 times dC dt. Now from there, we get this equation, and this is just copied from the last slide. And when we do some simple division, we get dC dt equals negative 4. And this is negative 4 miles per hour. And this answer means that the cops are getting closer to the robbers because the cops are closing in on the distance, and the distance between the two is becoming smaller. So they're getting closer, and that's why it's negative. And they're going at 4 miles per hour. So getting closer at 4 miles per hour is your final answer.